How to use Polar Hair Dye Shampoo. Color shampoo works by leaving pigment on the hair surface. The color effect depends on the formula, hair condition, shade, and contact time. Purest hair may absorb more color. Very dark hair may show a weaker result. Gray hair may need repeated use for better blending. So the process is usually simple. Wet the hair, apply the product evenly, massage it through the hair, leave it on for the suggested time. Rinse well, use conditioner if needed. Some users see color after one use, while some need more than one application. This is normal for temporary and semi-temporary color products. Results are usually easier to see on gray, light brown, or lightened hair. They may be less visible on very dark hair. And that is how to use Polar Hair Dye Shampoo.